Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video we'll show you a simple way how you can create a form in Typeform. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. When you log in into Typeform, the first thing you will see is your workspace. This is where you can create and manage your typeforms. Click on the Create Typeform button to create a new typeform. Select one of the following options: Start from scratch, use a template to open the templates gallery, and then select the template to get started with. Or create it for me, it kind of just gives you the basis of whatever you need, based on the questions you would like to ask. And we are going to work from scratch. And this is where you will create your form. Now we can start building by typing our question, changing the question type. And to add different question types to your form, click the plus option over here and a menu will appear, where you can choose which question type you would like to use. Typeform supports several types. All of them are free except for payments and file upload elements. Typeform can create many form types with the help of all these components: email, phone number, website, question group, statements, end screen, file upload, dropdown, payments, rating, and more. So let's say I want to add a short text question. You can see over here now we have added a second question. You can delete or duplicate a question or add images, videos, logic, etc. So it's up to you. You can watch my Typeform tutorial video to learn more about how you can use Typeform in under 22 minutes. Link in the description. So hopefully this video helped you out, and yeah, bye bye.